This is Legal 101 with Legal QT, she_ya_lawyer on Instagram. So we already saw this first Karen, okay?
It's barely.
I'm not getting a refund. You ate it?
Ma'am, you ate like half of the burger.
I took two. That is not half the
Okay,
burger.
okay.
I look at this, people.
Okay,
I will
you can
put
go-
it together. I
you can
took
people-
2 bites.
I'm not giving you no refund.
And I found
You
no
can go, ma'am.
sauce.
Yep. You can go.
I can go.
Just call security.
Yeah,
You can't do that, bitch.
Oh,
There's
bitch.
your money. You have no right to do that. You're fired.
No,
You're out of here.
you
What is
are.
your name? I want your business card.
Oh, you don't have a business card. Bye.
I want a business
You're
card.
old
What's your
lady
name?
that's
What's the manager's name?
Bye. You're a lady that's.
I just
Get out.
recorded.
And there's an issue with what she did. Y'all, you have to keep your hands off of people and stop throwing things in public. Another thing you cannot do is curse. So we're going to talk about this, okay? Because I myself, we're going to talk about this, okay? Okay, so touching individuals, okay? If that touching is unwanted equals battery, okay? And I use this in trial. Or better known as assault, okay? Now, assault can be oral or physical, okay? Okay? And many agencies and many jurisdictions term a battery as an assault, okay? So she was very much messed up and wrong when she first of all asked for her money back. Because we know that I myself worked in food service positions for a very extremely long time. I've also been a bartender for an extremely long time. Matter of fact, I think my TABC may still be active. And I'm saying that to let you all know that you cannot go to a restaurant, a place of business, and act a fool. The customer is not always right. And I'm going to show you what the Karen did wrong, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do if you encounter this situation. That is an unwanted touching. The first thing I want y'all to do is, because I myself have an issue with my mouth, okay? Don't curse. Let them do all of the cursing, okay? That's the first thing that you want to do. We're not going to curse, okay? Because they're in public. There should be no cursing at you, okay? When they curse at you, that is automatic ground for you to call the police. And we need to start getting these Karens locked up. Because their mouth is foul. You can go to jail for your mouth, okay? And this was being recorded. You record these Karens cursing at you, and you call the police. That is disorderly conduct, okay? There are different types of disorderly conducts out there. Anytime you are acting a fool in public and cursing, you can go to jail or you can get a citation, and they are high, okay? So you're going to call the police. You're not going to curse. Okay? You're not going to allow them to touch you with anything, even if it's an object, a fry, a straw, nothing. Spit. These things are unwanted touchings, and they are batteries, which equal assault. Okay? And so then you need to let the police or whomever know that they have assaulted you or battered you. Okay? These are words that are buzzwords that they hear when you call. So they'll send an officer out. There is disorderly conduct. This person is cursing loud and acting a fool in public. There is unwanted touching going on. There's been a battery and or an assault. These words will trigger the police. Now, Karen, you were lucky because you will not be coming to any of my establishments acting a fool. Okay? And you wouldn't get your money back for a half-eaten burger either. Okay? You will get the cops called on you because you're always calling the cops on us. So don't come in my establishment or the establishment of any folks, okay, and do that. Because you could very well be going to jail. Y'all understand? So this is how you deal with Karens that come in your establishment with their mouths acting a fool. You call the police on them. It's disorderly conduct. And if nothing else, they can go deal with the city or the county prosecutor about their mouths and about the fries that they threw and everything else. Don't touch them back. The only issue that I have is that they did it back. Don't do it back. Okay? I mean, you have the right to defend yourself. You do. But you have to understand that them throwing something on you and then you throw it back is going to make an officer say, well, you know, at that point the threat was removed. She threw a burger. When you threw it back, y'all are wrong for the same exact thing. We want this Karen to go to jail. We want them to keep their hands off of us. That's what we want them to do. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to hit, miss. Okay, and then we're going to call the police on their ass. That's what we're going to do. Okay, next case with the Karen. Okay, but we're going to go through our review. A review is no touching unwanted. These people keep their damn hands off of us. Yes, they will. And then it's a battery or an assault. We're going to call 911 like they like to call. And we're going to use those key buzzwords. Also, if they are cursing loud, we are not cursing with them. Let them curse. Okay? By themselves. They can go to jail for disorderly conduct and or get a Class C misdemeanor ticket for disorderly conduct. Nonetheless, we're going to take up Karen's time if nothing else. And we're going to teach Karen that if she messes around, she going to have to find out. All right, until next time, it's your favorite attorney, Attorney Ali Booker, Legal Cutie. Others know me as she_ya_lawyer on Instagram, and I'll be back with some more tips and tricks to get rid of these Karens because we done had enough. Next.
Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.